Mod 1 is entitled Introduction to Quantitative Analysis, Foundations of Statistics and Quantitative Analysis. So, quantitative analysis uses mathematical and statistical methods to evaluate data and make informed decisions, focusing on measurable data and objective analysis rather than subjective insights. The foundations of statistics encompasses the mathematical and philosophical principles that underpin statistical methods, including probability, inference, estimation, and hypothesis testing, providing a theoretical framework for understanding and applying these techniques. Quantitative data is what we talk about when we ask questions like how many, or how often, or how much. Mathematical approaches can be utilized to check and evaluate the accuracy of this information in a time-efficient manner. So quantitative analysis analyzes and interprets quantitative data using numerical and statistical methods. This analysis seeks to identify data patterns, trends, and linkages to inform decisions and predictions. Quantitative data analysis uses statistics and math to solve problems in business, finance, and risk management problems. It is an important technique that helps financial analysts, scientists, and researchers understand challenging ideas and issues. Upon completion of this lesson, the student should be able to recognize the basic ideas of the field of statistics and the methods for gathering data. Describe what the field of statistics is, and define and explain quantitative analysis.